Hey everyone, I'm going to be making a winter wreath, and to start I need to wash off all of these pine cones. There's about as many as you think you're going to use. You can use a toothbrush or any strong brush. One thing that can be challenged when working with pine cones is the little, and yes, curious kitties when they smell them. But the white, you'll see like white on the tips of them. They get like a sap of pine sap. It's kind of sticky. It's a nice real pine scent, but it's really hard to get off, and it's particularly sticky, and cats seem to love it. I'm going to try dunking them for a bit. And then scrape at them. It should come off a little bit easier. Now you wait for them to dry. When they're wet, they close up, but they'll open up once they're dry. Here I got a dark brown and some white, and a lighter brown with some white. Dunk this in water. Brush. There's what the end result is. Now I'm going to take my darker colored ones and paint the tips with some red, some brownish red. Bit of a gold color, but it looks mustard colored on the video. Now I got spray them. And there is all the pieces. Now for getting this to dry and putting together the wreath. Now I'm going to glue up, make 4 layers of ribbon here with silver and gold. They can easily be wrapped around some of the greenery in here. Three different colors of silver, gold, and some red. Now for a final touch, I'm going to put on some snow. And it's finally finished. What a very difficult project this was. I almost wanted to give up a few times, especially with the bow being so small. Quite pleased with it though. Took almost 2 weeks to do. And I'll see you in the next video.